Here, we see the Arizona homeowner in their natural habitat. The thermostat is set to 68 degrees. The house is currently 84. Notice how the homeowner lowers the thermostat even lower. Fascinating behavior. They believe this will somehow cool the house faster. Most Arizona homeowners live their lives in an environment of inadequate airflow, poor comfort, and hard water. Remarkable creatures, but fortunately help is available. Soon they will discover that Way Cool Plumbing and Air has a free service call with any approved repair. Call 844-WAY-COOL today.